Hello beautiful person watching, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making some jerk chicken quarters and legs. This chicken is so juicy on the inside and crispy on the outside. Let's jump right into the recipe. But before we do, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Benna. Thank you so much for watching, and please do consider taking a moment to hit that red subscribe button. Also like and share this video and turn on your notification bell because I do upload healthy, delicious air fryer recipes every week. Thank you so much. So we are going to start first by washing our chicken thoroughly. So I have here some fresh lemon. I'm just going to squeeze the juice in this bowl of water that I have right here. Then next we are going to proceed to just I usually just go ahead and I just trim some excess fat from our chicken quarters. Just remove the excess skin around there, over here. And you want to make sure that the legs down here, try to peel off some of that skin that's not needed. And I do also go in here and I try to remove this part from here as well, like this. I just take it out and the skin is looking like this. Any excess fats, I just take it off like this. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to give the chicken 3 slits. So I'll do one here, here, and here. This is going to help our chicken to absorb the seasoning properly. As well, the lemon is also going to penetrate into the skin of the chicken, and so it will make it taste better. So I'm just going to put it in the water right there, and I'll proceed to clean the rest of the chicken. So I have all our chicken in the water right there. I'm just going to clean up and I'll let it sit in the water for about 10 minutes. And then I'll go ahead and wash it and rinse it properly. Now this is the excess skin that I removed from the chicken. Our chicken has been properly washed and dried right here. And over here we have our seasoning. I have my jerk seasoning right here. I'm using the hot and spicy, by the way. You can use the mild jerk seasoning. I have some extra virgin olive oil, some all-purpose seasoning. I have some black pepper. I'm going to do some paprika, some salt, and also some chicken bouillon seasoning. I'm going to start by going in with some olive oil in our chicken. I'll do about a tablespoon of olive oil. That should be good enough. Next, I'll go in with some paprika. About ½ teaspoon paprika. Next, I'll go in with our all-purpose seasoning. About ½ teaspoon. Should be good. I'll do some salt to taste, always. I'll do some chicken bouillon seasoning. About ½ teaspoon. Some black pepper. And finally, I'll go in with our jerk seasoning. Please make sure to check the description box below. I'm going to link all the ingredients and measurements right there for you, the description box. And I'll make sure I mix this properly to combine. It's been properly marinated. Make sure I show you. This is how it's looking. I'm going to just use my foil and just cover the chicken. And I'll let this sit for about an hour. I have 1 hour to do this. You can do it longer, 3 hours. You can even do it overnight. It will make your chicken taste much more better. So I'm just going to let this sit for about an hour, and then we'll proceed next to air fryer chicken. So our chicken has been sitting. I actually let it sit for about an hour and a half, and I have it in my air fryer. I actually have 4 chicken quarter legs. So what I did was I put it in there, skin facing down. This is how I'm going to start cooking it, and we'll flip it halfway for the skin. I'm going to select the preset button for chicken, 380 for 25 minutes, and we'll check it halfway, about 15 minutes. We're going to flip it, so I'll come back to you in 15 minutes. So our chicken has been cooking for 15 minutes. I'm going to flip this over and then we'll cook it for the remainder of the 10 minutes. I'll just go ahead and flip our chicken over, and then we'll put it back in, like I mentioned. So our chicken has been flipped, and I just went ahead and just dabbed a little bit more of the jerk seasoning. As you can see, I love it when it's spiced, when it's well seasoned with the jerk seasoning right into the bone. So I'm just going to put it back in for the remainder of the 10 minutes, and I'll see you in 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I did crank up my heat 5 minutes on 400 degrees so that it can give our chicken this crisp. If you don't want this extra, you can leave it this extra step, but I do want my chicken crisp up. That's why I did the extra step. Just look at that. It looks so beautiful, crispy, and so delicious. I hope that you did enjoy this video and that you're going to try this air fryer chicken quarters and legs. It is so delicious. If you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you already haven't done so, and please like and share this video with your family and friends. Turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any healthy air fryer recipes from me. Until I come your way next time with something delicious and healthy, please be well. Thank you. Bye.